PiNetwork is like the new kid on the block, trying to make a name for itself in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a digital currency that aims to be more accessible and user-friendly than its predecessors. Imagine a world where you could mine digital currency using just your phone without draining your battery or needing fancy equipment. No more high electricity bills or complex setups. That's the idea behind PiNetwork. It's designed to be simple and efficient. It's all about accessibility, letting everyday people get in on the crypto action. You don't need to be a tech expert to participate. But here's the catch. PiNetwork is still in its early stages, kind of like a tech startup still figuring things out. It's a work in progress with many unknowns. It hasn't officially launched yet, and it's still in the beta phase. And its value in the real world is still uncertain. Investors and users alike are watching closely. Think of it like a promising recipe that hasn't been fully cooked yet. The ingredients are there, but we're still waiting to see what it tastes like. Will it be a gourmet dish or just another average meal? This air of mystery and potential has attracted millions of users worldwide, all eager to be part of something big, all hoping to get a piece of the pie. The community is growing rapidly, with users from all walks of life. The big question is, will PiNetwork live up to the hype and become the next Bitcoin, or will it fade away like so many other crypto hopefuls? Only time will tell. The future of PiNetwork is still unwritten, and its journey is just beginning. Now, let's talk about Sidra Bank, a name synonymous with financial prowess and global influence. Imagine a massive financial institution with branches stretching across the globe, touching nearly every continent and major city. Managing trillions of dollars and influencing the flow of money like a powerful river, Sidra Bank is a cornerstone of the financial world. That's Sidra Bank in a nutshell, a financial behemoth with a reach that extends far and wide. They're a big deal in the financial world, known for their stability, their influence, and their deep understanding of the markets. Their analysts and strategists are some of the best in the business. When Sidra Bank talks, people listen. Their words can move markets and their decisions can shape the future of finance. So when the CEO of Sidra Bank hints at potential interest in a new market, especially one as buzzworthy as cryptocurrency, it sends ripples through the entire industry. Investors, analysts, and competitors all take note. It's like a whale deciding to swim in a new part of the ocean. Everyone takes notice. The sheer size and influence of Sidra Bank make their moves significant. Their insights and actions carry weight, and their involvement can often signal a shift in the financial landscape. Markets can rise or fall based on their strategies. So, what happens when a financial giant like Sidra Bank starts to take notice of a young, ambitious project like PiNetwork? The potential for collaboration or investment could be game-changing. That's the million-dollar question, and the answer could have significant implications for both players. The future of finance could be reshaped by such a partnership. Imagine you're at a party, and you overhear the CEO of a major company talking about a new product. The room would likely fall silent as everyone strains to catch every word. People would be all ears, right? That's the kind of attention any statement from the Sidra Bank CEO about PiNetwork would get. The anticipation would be palpable. While there's no official word yet, let's speculate a bit, just for fun. What could be so groundbreaking that it would capture everyone's attention? What if the CEO reveals that Sidra Bank has been quietly researching PiNetwork and sees potential in its user base? This could mean they've been analyzing data and trends, looking for ways to integrate Pi into their financial ecosystem. Or maybe they announce a strategic partnership offering financial services tailored for PiNetwork users. Imagine the possibilities: exclusive banking features, investment opportunities, or even Pi-based transactions. It's all speculation, but even a hint of interest from a big player like Sidra Bank could send shockwaves through the PiNetwork community. The excitement would be electric, with everyone eager to see what comes next. It would be like a vote of confidence from a trusted authority figure, potentially boosting Pi's credibility and attracting even more users. Such an endorsement could be a game changer. Of course, it's essential to separate speculation from facts and not get carried away by rumors. Critical thinking is key, but the possibility of such a revelation is enough to get people talking. Conversations would spark, debates would ignite, and the community would be buzzing with anticipation. In today's digital world, information is power, and PiNetwork has something that many companies crave: a massive and engaged user base. With millions of users worldwide, PiNetwork has accumulated a goldmine of data about its users, their demographics, and their online behavior. This data, if used responsibly and ethically, could be incredibly valuable for targeted advertising, market research, and even developing new products and services tailored to the PiNetwork community. Imagine a company like Sidra Bank leveraging this data to offer financial products specifically designed for PI users, creating a seamless bridge between the crypto world and traditional finance. The potential is vast, and it's easy to see why a forward-thinking institution like Sidra Bank might be interested in exploring the possibilities that PiNetwork's user base presents. Section 5. The Green Light Effect. Positive implications for PiNetwork. Now let's imagine for a moment that the Sidra Bank CEO's revelations are overwhelmingly positive. Picture a world where Sidra Bank announces a strategic partnership with PiNetwork, integrating Pi into their existing financial services and offering users access to new banking products. This kind of endorsement from a major player could be a game-changer for PiNetwork. It would instantly boost Pi's credibility, attracting even more users and potentially driving up its value. Think of it like a small-town band suddenly getting signed by a major record label. Their music reaches a wider audience, their fan base explodes, and their chances of success skyrocket. The same could happen to PiNetwork with the backing of a financial giant like Sidra Bank. It would be a massive leap forward, propelling Pi from a promising startup to a major player in the cryptocurrency arena. Section 6. Regulatory Rumble. Navigating potential challenges. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The world of cryptocurrency is still relatively new and often faces scrutiny from regulators. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to handle digital currencies, and their decisions could significantly impact PiNetwork's future. Imagine a scenario where regulators impose strict rules on cryptocurrency transactions or even ban certain activities altogether. This could create hurdles for PiNetwork, especially if it's trying to integrate with traditional financial institutions like Sidra Bank. Think of it like trying to build a house without a proper building permit. You might get away with it for a while, but eventually you'll run into trouble with the authorities. PiNetwork will need to navigate these regulatory challenges carefully, ensuring compliance with existing laws while also advocating for a supportive regulatory environment. Section 7. The Power of Perception. Public opinion's impact on Pi. In the world of cryptocurrency, perception is everything. The value of a digital currency is often driven by supply and demand is heavily influenced by public sentiment. If people believe in a cryptocurrency's potential, they're more likely to invest in it, driving up its value. Conversely, negative news or a loss of confidence can cause the value to plummet. Imagine a scenario where rumors spread about PiNetwork's security vulnerabilities or its long-term viability. Even if these rumors are unfounded, they could still damage Pi's reputation and scare away potential investors. It's like a game of telephone. The message can get distorted as it's passed from person to person, and the end result might be far from the truth. PiNetwork will need to manage its public image carefully, addressing concerns transparently and building trust with its users and the wider community. Section 8. A fork in the road. PiNetwork's future uncertainties. While the potential revelations from the Sidra Bank CEO are exciting, it's essential to remember that PiNetwork's future is still uncertain. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly based on news, speculation, and even tweets from influential figures. Imagine a roller coaster ride with sharp ups and downs. That's what investing in cryptocurrency can feel like. PiNetwork has yet to launch officially, and its value in the real world is still unknown. Will it live up to the hype and become a widely adopted digital currency? Or will it fade into obscurity like so many other crypto projects? It's impossible to say for sure, and any investment in PiNetwork should be considered high risk. Section 9. Stay tuned. The importance of staying informed. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, with new developments happening every day. Staying informed is crucial, especially for those interested in PiNetwork. Follow reputable cryptocurrency news sources, join online communities, and engage in discussions to stay up to date on the latest trends, challenges, and opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, having the right information can make all the difference. So stay curious, stay informed, and approach the exciting world of PiNetwork with a healthy dose of caution and a thirst for knowledge.